So according to Evangelist Ebuka Obi, Lagos State government did not withdraw his security men. So some of you, or most of you, who has been celebrating, making it to be a top on the news, you can now go and sleep. If there is anything you are planning, just know that it is dead on arrival. Go and sleep. 76 police officers attached to Ebuka Obi Zion ministry has been withdrawn. 76 police officers, as if he's even if it is an area command, but because not even a divisional police station can even have such number of policemen. So even if it is an area command, so now that we have known that his security men details are still intact, they are still intact, none withdrawn, can you now go and rest? Can you now go and rest so that a bela and a benisi we are all? No. See celebration everywhere. Why you are celebrating, I don't understand. So can you now go and rest? He said his security men are still intact. Nobody withdrew his security personnel. That's what he said. And for some of you who say he's a man of God, what does he need the police officers for? That one is on your head. Whatever thing you say or whatever thing you think, it is left for you. No bolo ki ge buriye. You gotta go. Ovologe ki ge buriye. His security details, his security best personnel, nobody withdrew them. They are still intact following him. So you can now look for a nearby transformer. You can now look for a nearby river. You can now look for a nearby quota and lie down there so that a trailer can do justice to you. Or you can now go and hug a transformer so that all Kondo will do justice to you. Or you can now go and jump inside the river, ebe crocodiles, so that the crocodiles can now have a dinner or have a feast. The Umazi 2 Timothy Umazi Ogugwoge. Umazi Ogugwoge. On afubo dife.